Factories are leaving China, and one country is quietly becoming the biggest winner: India. But can India really replace China as the world's factory? After the pandemic, companies realized something dangerous. Relying on just one country for manufacturing is risky. When China went into strict lockdowns, everything stopped. Factories shut down, shipments were delayed, global supply chains broke, and companies started looking for alternatives. Countries like Vietnam, Mexico, Indonesia, but one country started standing out: India. So why are companies choosing India? First, and this is the biggest reason, cost. Manufacturing runs on margins. In China, workers earn around $140 to $340 per month. In India, it can be as low as $70 to $200. That's a massive difference. Lower cost means higher profit. Second, tax advantages. India made a bold move. Corporate tax was cut from 30% to 22%, and for new manufacturing companies, just 15%. That's one of the lowest in Asia. Third, the market. India isn't just a place to manufacture, it's a place to sell. With over 1.4 billion people, even a small percentage means millions of customers. Fourth, stability. Unlike China, India is a democracy. That means stronger legal protection, more transparency, and better long-term confidence for companies. Fifth, growth. India is already one of the largest economies in the world, and now manufacturing is rising fast, growing at around 8% every year. But India isn't perfect, and this is where things get interesting. Infrastructure is still catching up. Transport isn't as efficient as China. Supply chains are still developing. Doing business can be slow. Setting up factories can take weeks, with multiple approvals. There's also currency risk. The Indian rupee fluctuates more than some competing countries. That creates uncertainty for investors. And land. That's another challenge. Acquiring land can lead to delays, protests, and legal issues. So yes, India has problems, but things are changing. Programs like Make in India are pushing manufacturing forward. Infrastructure is improving. Policies are becoming more business-friendly, and global companies are paying attention. The world is slowly moving away from China, and India is becoming one of the biggest alternatives. This could be India's moment, a chance to become a true manufacturing powerhouse. But the real question is, will India take it or miss the opportunity? Because the global shift has already begun, and the countries that move fast will define the future.